This is my kitchen essentials. I love it a lot. It is perfect for cooking, for everyday use, and it is so easy to clean it. There are 30 pieces in the pack. I do love these foil pans a lot. Jolly Chef is my favorite brand. It is heavy-duty disposable aluminum foil pans, 9 by 13, which is perfect, very convenient. And it is very tall if you look at it. It is perfect for turkey, for vegetables, for pasta dishes, for cakes, barbecue, even storing leftovers. I order it from this brand all the time and I'm so happy that I got it. I love the material it is made from. It is made from food grade aluminum foil. It is heat resistant, and so I can easily use it in the oven, in the microwave. I can easily use it in my refrigerator, even in my freezer. So it is so easy to use it. I use it almost every day for me and for my family. I bake fish and meat, different types of things inside of it, and it is super sturdy, reliable. And cleanup is also super easy. Instead of scrubbing your dishes after a party or camping trip, you can just use this one and just toss it away when you use it. It saves me so much time, so much energy, no mess, no stress, no wasted time. I think it is a great present idea for your friends and relatives if they love to cook. And another big plus is the design of it. Perfect size for vegetables, for different large dishes, but it is not extra large. Just the size is amazing. These pans are heavy duty, leak-proof, strong enough to handle different juicy meats like turkey, saucy pasta, and different barbecue without bending or spilling over. Whether it's like your family dinner, birthday party, big vacation, you should always bring it with you. I love it a lot, and this brand is amazing. I love how much time I saved. Very easy way to cook and clean and store food. This is must have.